Please subscribe, like, and share.
Ramani Frase and a bind so mu, a discabet shemu, and a DC hospital Cassiana. And the nurse said, Yet in Timon, whom be to home. They are Timmy Edia and Kaye, a Mubiara or person who Rara Hospital no, Nymphitia say. Now, Senia, in your regional director Kayano, 1937. 84 years ago. And Rawrani ba. Oye, be a well framed friend lawyer, any ambassador. Theater, Owusu Asare. Ofri Golgos, 1928, Rawrani ba. Oko school wa Rawraha, and Ofri Hanum, 1928. Okofa Shane, Watakrade, Nodiko America. Hono koduye no kosua law entina oye attorney wo America, lawyer and attorney e New York. 1937 mu odi mfie be enkron wo America no e no kan se oba besra abusuafo wo Worawora obedu Worawora oyare e na amanta mo man measles, just yare the tropical diseases, no. Now a manta momena. Eh, I didn't say money. And also, and Crawford, I mean, call primary school near middle school, in Concord, say, one more to say, or call famous, Unia way, Quajo way, over 4 years ago. Ojinawa, no say Debbie, right here, I had a sabia. Yeah. And only in Fiasio. It was a sight to her. Sight has also a busiamiano, now one more sassy, one also demand free of charge. Yan Piaka, Yan Yashi, what the assassin my say, Yamfa Hospital, Mrs. The hospital and I yet we and suffer Prime Minister Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, say Omrami Buyano. Ome Bues are dying one. Ome Buyano near the other said, dear tune, and you say, what when a rough what me I. A bind by Namoy. The Kwame Nkrumah so tune and to say, a bind then physical eye, but we see hospital in Amamo. And what course you share more, na Sika will be here no year about 80,000 pounds. Yeah, 6,000 yen. A bind so be my 80,000 pounds. And you call the foundation stone I was through here, 80,000 pounds, no, it was so.
And then you may dear Abedino right. Now the author of the book, no. Eka se butaye menu bintina or no ultra book no. Send a beya the year once be who send Rara Hospital as I see. And to also set the record straight. But maybe the third one Eddie can home. Because I dear Rara my a year. Omo to me the hospital is purely sacrificial. unprecedented. Inti na me de kan wono say na be ya yesu ye besua so that in today's world no yesu ye be ye bibi na ya sacrifice te obi a osiso a young man na wakosi fie na wo de ama se mompa ye hospital nya se ogiska o wonje rent nso obi nso asifie na wo de ama momfa ye orphanage. It's something that say it me sua na ebe hu say mpuntuo no enye abenkwa na eseso ye de wo de mpuntuo ye de embrace. But everybody should get on board. Obi abetimi aye na said there, say na be ya mpuntu aye pe no ebeba. Na meti ye say regional hospital no ebeba baby a regional health directorate ewo. But to say eye documented and na say nye documented no dey mentimi nka and so to say mini health director meeting no beba we answer.
It is indeed a great pleasure to be among you today. I bring you fraternal greeting from His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, President of the Republic of Ghana, whose hard work saw the creation of the Oti region. It is also the great decentralized policy of Nana Addo's government that have brought the Oti regional headquarters of Ghana Health Service and regional hospital to Worawora, a town that has played and continues to play a major role in healthcare delivery in the old Buem Karachi district, now Oti region. In November last year, I received a request from Nana Owusu-Aferi, the Nkosua-Hene, whom I have known in government as a past president of Association of Ghana Industries, to review and endorse a book he has authored on the history of Worawora Hospital. After reading through the pages of the book, I concluded that this is a book I would like to associate myself with. It is now my pleasure to launch the History of Worawora Government Hospital book by Nana Owusu-Aferi, published by Digi Books Ghana Limited. So this book is now duly launched. I thank you all for your attention.
And ne mayene etiasi so abusia enuanom wo ma wahira omo no omo ntimi free of pepamu enja omo ajapade emma oman no ne enye hu adwuma na so mfaso ayeden aba ma yenyina erade ye da wase ye kanfo ye suntumo eyiwaye se enne dei eda wei eyeden ensada ye bekoso akai dei de bielada ye da hyewu president ni enti jumadi nim to aso e hyewu nyankopon sa kan hu na di enim kan na onveli na be ye nyina no ahyewu kristo di animonyam efe se ye chichiri kroi ye di kristo di na chichiri kroi na kristo animonyam akoso ahyere na nipa awrado pema asase we no ayeden aba
build him to where we turn around. That was where the inpatient ward were. So we have to go there and have a look at it. Then we come and see where the doctor also stayed, and then where the expatriate staff stayed. Then we move to town.
Expatriate medical personnel at the start of the Worawora Government Hospital in 1951, unveiled on the 17th of
So you have to unveil before
We went to school from this house at the primary and the middle level. When he finished, then he went to training college at the Coco, and then taught at the noon for some time before he went overseas. CO aside, the one we are commemorating.
Okay.
So over here, this angle here, down here, was the sewage ward. But because there was no maternity ward, they divided it. So that the other half there became the maternity ward. Of course, depending on whether there were so many beds. So if the maternity ward was empty, female members occupied that place. And then the two wards here were the main ward. This was the house where our grandfather and our uncle lived. So when the people said they wanted the house, they can't build the house, we told them bought houses. And the one, the OPD, belonged to his uncle. So he commandeered that one and this one. That is how the hospital was.
Thanks for watching.